You can make all the applications available on Play Store by using your mobile by giving a single prompt. I have made many such videos on my channel in which I have taught how to make many professional level applications in games by using my mobile. But the most special thing in this is that I have made all these applications and games by using AI by giving just a single prompt. We have to learn to make prompts. So in today's video I will teach you to make master prompts. And after watching this video you can make applications from basic to professional level by giving just a single prompt. Let's start the video. I have to make a prompt on any application or game. So first of all I come to Play Store. And what do I do first? I can select any application or game here. So to create a prompt, first of all, let's select an app here. Like here you can see that there is an application named All Tools. It has more than 10 lakh downloads and more than 26,000 people have voted for it. And you can see its rating is 4.3. So basically, this is an All Tools application. It has many small tools, like file transfer, device control, walkie-talkie, Wi-Fi call. Apart from this, there is EMI or billing system, day counter, unit converter, stopwatch, timer. So they have provided many small tools inside a single application. So let's try to create such an application today. So first of all, what I do is that whatever application I want to make, I copy its screenshot here, and to make prompts, I always use ChatGPT, and I do not use ChatGPT directly here at all. Here, I will click on the profile, and what I will do here is, after going to customize ChatGPT here, I have already given it a custom instruction, and you will find the link of this custom instruction in the description below the video. You have to add the custom instruction here, and after adding, click on the plus icon written here, then your forward thinking will be automatically added here in the last line. And then you have to save it here. And after saving, we will come here. And here, see, we have not asked it directly to make a prompt. Look, we have to make an application of All Tools. So how do we start the conversation with this? So here I type a message. So the first message that I have typed, I have written that I want to make a prompt for a web app. So tell me which tools can be added to the web app. Like reminder, day counter, image to PDF, give me a list of 50 tools like this. What is it now? Look, right now I am getting the tools generated from it. That is, I am getting a list of tools that I want to make a web application of All Tools. For that I have to add tools. So give me a list of 50 tools. Look here, it has given me a list of 50 tools. Look here, there is reminder, to-do list, day counter, age calculator. There are different categories like this. Like there are also file and document tools. It has also provided image media tools and learning tools and fun entertainment tools. It has provided many more tools. It has given me a list of 50 tools. Now here is the next message which I will type. So look here, the second message which I have typed here. I have written that you make a detailed prompt for me so that if I give that prompt to an AI, then he should write mobile-friendly code for me in HTML in a single file and add all these 50 tools which you have mentioned. And the app should be completely mobile friendly. Everything should be well organized according to the app. The layout should be like the image I have given you. Here I am adding an image which I copied from there. I took a screenshot from here, from where I got the idea of our application. So after writing this much from ChatGPT, I send this message. Now you can see here that it has started creating a prompt in detail, and it has started very well here. See? The prompt I want to create a single HTML file means it has already told me to create the code in a single HTML file. After that, whatever the layout of the application is, it is designed and whatever tools are to be added. You can see that it has mentioned all the tools in it and has also told the requirements of the app. Let us wait, and we should not copy it here just like that. I will write one more line because right now I know that this prompt is incomplete, because it will make the tools ready-made. If I copy this entire prompt and then ask AI to create the code, it will create the code for me, but most of the tools will not be working. So here I will type another message. So here I have typed a small message that keep in mind that whatever you type in the prompt, the tools that I have added should be working. No tool should be demo or under construction. So I send it once again to ChatGPT and it has given me the prompt. Now look at the prompt. I will copy it from here, and after copying, there is a website named astud.com, so come here. Sign up here. You will get to use the Pro version here for free. After signing up, if you are using it from mobile, then keep it open in mobile view only. What will you do now? The prompt that I had generated here, I will paste it here. And after pasting it, it will come to the very last of the prompt. And after coming to the last, I will bring it to the next line. And there is another prompt like this. This is a universal prompt. I had specially made this prompt to get the UI design made. With this prompt, you can give screenshots of any UI design of any application or game. According to that, AI will create your same UI design. How is this? As I will show you. Like I will copy this prompt. This is a prompt for UI design. I will copy this prompt, and this prompt which was given to me by AI just now. This tool is a prompt for making applications. After coming to the last, I will type here print for UI. And after pasting, I searched UI design on Google. So here I have got a lot of images related to UI design. So I will select any one of these images. Like I will select this image. I will copy this image and paste it here with this prompt. So what is it now? Look, what are the things in this chat box? There are 3 things. One is the prompt to create an all tools application. The second is the prompt to create a UI design. And the third is the prompt for how the UI design should be. Now I will write. Now give me a detailed code in HTML in a single file. After writing this much, see, I clicked on run. Now what will it do in a little while? It will create a complete code for me. Let's see what kind of output it will give. If not, we will try to create this prompt. What happens many times is that it makes some mistakes. So let's wait once to see what output it gives. Then whatever code it gives us, then we will run it and see it live. Hey music. So it has completed the code, and I think it has written the code in a lot of detail. So there is a copy button here. I will click on it, and after copying, this is a website 1 compiler, HTML compiler. That is, by pasting the HTML code here, we can write its output live. So here I will paste my code, and it has written 713 lines of code. Now let's check it once by clicking on run that how it has written the code. If there is any mistake, we will get it updated again. And after clicking on run, you can see its output. If you want to see it in mobile view, then you will get to see something like this view in mobile. So let me make it full screen. So it has written all these tools first. After that, I have created a search option below, and I will show you the theme once. See, as I had given the screenshot to it, you can see he has picked the colors from a screenshot to make this application. So apart from this, if I select any other screenshot, like I delete this one, I select any other screenshot. If I attach that screenshot, then he will make the same layout with the same design. If I give it screenshot, then he will make it for me within the green-black gradient. So now let's test the application once. So I don't know why he has given this button. I don't understand it. If you click on the to list, then inside this to list, he has given some options. If you click on add task, then it is getting added. That is, he has made these tools working. It is working absolutely correctly. There is an edge calculator. So he has made the function of edge calculator working too. BMI calculator, this tool is under construction. Right now it is a unit converter. It is under construction. It has written a lot of options under construction. So now we will update these things. So you can also see these errors. So I will type the message here. Make all the tools working. Then some tools working, and this message is coming. After adding this message again, I have sent the code for updating. Now again it will create the code for me. This is Sanjeet has updated the code and given it to me. I will copy the code from here and will run it again and see the code. So from here I will delete the old code which it had created and paste the new code which is of 795 lines and click on run. So let's see what it has plated in the code. So it has created a lot of tools. So now let's check these tools one by one. Like these are the tools, it has been made working. Age calculator, this is also a working tool. BMI calculator, expense track notepad is also working. Image resizer is also working. Image color picker is also working. It has made these tools well. Apart from this dictionary app, it has made the dictionary one well. Apart from this text to speech, these tools are also working. So almost all the tools are working. See, it has made them working. So you also see what I have done. I gave the idea of a simple application and after that talked a little with 4GPT and gave some screenshots. So see all these things, this is my way of making prompts. So if you need prompts to make any specific application, then tell me in the description of the video. I will make a video on that too. That was all for today's video. See you in the next video.